All right, so we're rolling, right?
Not too sad. Watch it.
How's everybody doing? Good?
Good.
We're ready?
Yes.
Yep?
Yeah.
Right. And so tell me, what do we need?
Pencil, notebook, and packet.
Calculator,
Notebook.
notebook,
Pasta.
and packet. Packet I'm going to hand over to you guys, right? Right? So if everyone can just be seated, we'll get started. Just the other going to pass those calculators, and then we'll get started, right? I'm going to tell you guys what we're doing today. So yesterday when I talked about cross multiplication, right?
Yeah.
Hosted that. Two ways we can do this, right? We can either do it like Hosted mentioned, which is figure out how did we go from 10 to 5. You knew we divided by 2, right? So meaning I have to do the same thing up here. Or we can do it this way. We don't know what this is. We'll represent it with, if we don't know what a value is, what should we represent it as? Like if we don't know what a number is, what should we represent it as? X. So we can either do it this way or we can cross multiply. Right? If I cross multiply, this means 10 times what?
10x. I mean 1x.
I'll say that again. 10 times
1.
what number is this? What is this? 10 times x. 10 times x equal 2 times what?
2000.
Wait,
Everybody get it?
dude.
Yes, we got it.
I remember.
Yeah.
We did it up.
Exactly. Exactly. Right? Now what is 10 times x?
10 times.
Is what? You can't use a calculator. 10 what? 10x.
Yeah.
Because we don't know what x is. 10x equal, what is 2 times 5? 10. Right? Divide.
2.
Right? What do I divide by?
2.
No, not 2. I'm always going to divide. So everybody look up. I'm always going to divide by the number next to the x. What number is next to the x? Right here. What number is next to the x? 10, right? They just both happen to be 10. But say this wasn't 10, you're always going to divide by whatever number is next to this x. So divide by 10, whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. Divide by 10 as well, right? Now, 10 divided by 10 is what? 1, right? I drop down my x. So this would be 1x, or x by itself, equal What's 10 divided by 10?
1.
1. So x is equal to 1. So that number I was looking for that we didn't know up here is actually 1. So this is basically saying 2 over 10 is equal to 1 over 5. So this here is the same thing as what we got here. Which step do you guys like better? This one? You like this one better?
Second I one. like
So there's two of them.
first one.
This one.
Alright, so we're gonna have a turn and talk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're 8. So everybody take to you and your brother, you and Jadiel, Hosadak and
Yes.
Jadiel, and you and Isel. You guys talk to yourself, tell yourselves which step do you like? This step or this one? Step 1 or step 2. Why do you like it? Which one do you like and why? Right? Let's take like just maybe 2 minutes. Right?
I
This
like
one-
the. I like the two
Because I don't want to do it. The other one is, I don't want to
Because
do it.
I like step 1 because we did
It's like
step 2.
like what we have an action just like put that
Why they all-
together, and then
why they
just,
both say step
multiply,
one?
like,
Why?
and then just multiply and then you just kind
Easy
of
to
divide one number is next to it.
Dude, come here.
They both say step 1.
Dude.
I appreciate that. Step 1 or 2. Good catch.
I like step
two.
1 better.
Which one do you like better?
Two.
We
You like
did
2 better?
Step,
Yes.
Okay.
step
It's
two.
got
Yeah, go for it. Go
And
this
I
way.
felt like it was, yeah, and
It's
the
gonna
shorter
take
it is, the easier it is for me. So
All right, let's take a share out. All right, if you like step 1 better, put your hand up. You like step 1 better? Okay. If you like step 2 better, put your hand up. Okay. Hosted that. Tell me, why do you like step 1 better?
I like step 1 better because step 1 has like less steps, and it's like a little bit like easier.
It looks easier, right? You like step looks easier. What about you? Why do you like step 2?
We did this up. It's easier. It's so easy.
It's easy, right? Because we did something like this before when we did cross multiplication, right? So cool. So my point is, you guys have 2 options. If you want to do step 1, that's great. If you want to do step 2, that's great, right? You choose the one you want to do. But what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up having the same answer, right? All right. So everybody, take out your notebook. We're gonna take notes, right? And then I'll pass out the site. Everybody can take out their notebooks, right? I'm gonna wipe this off and we jump right into the note pages, all right?